This week, the Supreme Court made headlines by allowing a 17-year-old girl to terminate her pregnancy at nearly 31 weeks, even after doctors said that the fetus could be viable if born. The court itself acknowledged the hard question at the heart of this case. While countries like the US and parts of Europe remain deeply divided on abortion, India's legal framework is very different. But it is not unlimited. There are strict rules, clear processes, and firm red lines. In India, abortion is governed by the Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act, amended in 2021, which means that abortion is only possible under these procedures. Up to 20 weeks, a woman can choose to terminate her pregnancy based on her decision and her doctor's advice. The doctor must act in good faith, explain the health risks involved, and obtain the woman's informed consent. Between 20 to 24 weeks, termination is allowed only if two registered medical practitioners certify that continuing the pregnancy would risk the woman's life or cause grave physical or mental injury, including financial, or there is substantial risk of serious physical or mental abnormality in the fetus. After 24 weeks, a medical board of 4 specialist doctors must examine the case and confirm 1. Serious fetal abnormalities or a grave threat to the life or health of the woman. Based on this medical opinion, permission must then be obtained from the High Court or the Supreme Court. And when courts decide such cases, they consider multiple factors: the woman's physical and mental health, how the pregnancy occurred, including rape or incest, the emotional and financial burden, and fetal viability. Courts have, in some cases, refused abortions and instead directed the state to provide medical care and support for adoption. But in rare and exceptional circumstances, especially when it involves a minor, a rape survivor, or severe fetal abnormalities, abortions have been allowed even at 29 to 33 weeks. For minors, a legal guardian's consent is mandatory. For adult women, the decision rests solely with her, guided by medical advice. In 2022, the Supreme Court clarified that unmarried women have the same abortion rights as married women. And in 2023, the court ruled that abortion cannot be denied solely because a pregnancy has crossed that statutory 24-week limit. The women's right to health, dignity, and reproductive autonomy must be considered. But here's the bottom line: abortion outside the MTP Act is still a crime. Illegal abortions can lead to criminal prosecution, and it can lead up to life imprisonment if it is done without the consent